Pour the vinegar into the mint. This combination has an unexpected use. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Thanks to its strong scent, mint is a natural repellent. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 1¼ cups of hot water, stir, and let it cool. Then, prepare a second glass container and a strainer lined with cheesecloth. Strain the mint infusion and add 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Moreover, its sharp scent repels pests. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, which makes it easy to apply. This homemade remedy works as a protective shield against mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, and other insects. Just spray it where pests appear or where they may enter the house. It's a simple yet extremely effective solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Here's an American trick for ants, and it works fast. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and budget-friendly mixture is all you need. Grab an empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom to create a shallow container. It shouldn't be too deep. Using a soldering iron or something similar, poke a few small holes around the lower part of the bottle. This step is important, so pay attention. Ants are a common issue, especially in spring and summer. In the garden, they can cause a lot of damage. Now for the key ingredients. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in ants' bodies and disrupts their digestion. Add 5 teaspoons of baking soda into the bottle. Next, the bait. Powdered sugar attracts ants with its strong, sweet scent. Add 5 teaspoons of powdered sugar to the mix. Pour in a little water and stir until it forms a pourable paste. Thanks to the holes, ants will easily find their way in. Place the trap where you see them most often. You can also pour a bit of the mixture next to the bottle. Watch how quickly it draws them in. It's an effective way to get rid of ants for good. Just a few drops of this pink mixture on your window frames, and that annoying problem will disappear immediately. You'll save money on expensive professional services. Get a small, clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's a great base for this homemade mix. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is a versatile household ingredient with properties that work well in hard-to-reach places. Now add something everyone has in the kitchen. Dish soap helps the mixture stick better to surfaces. Add 1 tablespoon to the bowl. Pour in 1 tablespoon of vinegar, which will boost the effect of the other ingredients. The next ingredient is toothpaste, which improves the durability and effectiveness of the mix. Stir everything very thoroughly. That's key to combining the ingredients. Use a syringe to draw up the mixture and apply it into window frames, especially in cracks where unwanted guests may appear. Also use it around windowsills, balconies, and trash areas. This natural method repels insects, cockroaches, and other pests. It works quickly, effectively, and without using harmful chemicals. If you do this, ants, cockroaches, and other insects will disappear from your home. Leave it in the drawer, spice cabinet, on the windowsill, or on the countertop, and you won't see any ants or cockroaches anymore. Thanks to this, you'll have peace from these pests. A regular green cucumber will save you a lot of time, money, and nerves. No more buying expensive chemicals for insects. Hide such slices in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or bedroom. You'll see the effects the same day. Prepare a cutting board and a cucumber. Just a regular green cucumber. First, wash it thoroughly in water. Then dry it. Now slice it into medium-thick slices. Cucumber has a scent that repels ants. The substances in the cucumber peel act on them toxically. They lose their sense of smell, orientation, and die. The content of natural repellent substances in cucumbers is invaluable. It's the cheapest and simplest way to get rid of ants. Then prepare baking soda. Apply about a teaspoon to the cucumber slices. Because of its properties, it's one of the most popular products for repelling and eliminating pests in the garden. But at home, it works great for repelling cockroaches. The soda will absorb the juice from the cucumber and strengthen its scent for insects. Transfer the cucumber slices with soda to a small plate and spread them around the apartment. Leave them in places where you've had the most problems with ants or cockroaches. Put cinnamon in the dish soap. This combination even surprised me. Prepare a pot and pour half a liter of water into it. Then take 2 cinnamon sticks and drop them in. Place the pot on the stove and simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the cinnamon to release its aroma and properties. Now, pour the contents into a bowl and remove the cinnamon sticks. Next, add the dish soap, which effectively removes grease and dirt, leaving surfaces clean. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which helps dissolve the grime and boosts the mixture's effectiveness. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients combine. Prepare a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour the solution into it. Cap it, and you've got a homemade spray that will solve a specific problem in the summer. Spray it on the kitchen countertop, cabinets, bathroom tiles, or even outdoor furniture. Finish by wiping everything down with a microfiber cloth, which leaves no streaks and perfectly completes the job. With this mixture, you'll not only clean surfaces thoroughly, but also make these areas free of insects or bugs. The cinnamon scent is unpleasant for many insects, creating a natural scent barrier that bugs are reluctant to cross. Combine mosquito coils with these ingredients, and you'll boost their power with amazing results. You'll get rid of not only mosquitoes, but all insects from your home. I thought the mosquito coil couldn't get any stronger, but it can. Just do what I did, and you'll see. First, prepare a spray bottle with a diffuser. Break the mosquito coils straight into it. The second key ingredient is vinegar. Pour in half a cup. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Dilute everything with half a cup of water. Finally, drop in 7 cloves. Close the bottle and shake it well so the ingredients mix together. Leave it for 30 minutes before using to let it gain strength. Then spray it in places where insects like to stay. It's not just for mosquitoes. The mix also repels flies, moths, cockroaches, and more. Spray kitchen cabinets, the lower areas where roaches may hide, or around plants and windows to keep mosquitoes away. This is the strongest mosquito repellent, and you can make it in just 2 minutes. Here's a simple and effective way to keep mosquitoes away for good. You only need 3 ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. First, grab a bowl or a pitcher. Pour in about 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and 3/4 cup of water. Now add a few sprigs of fresh lavender. If you don't have fresh lavender, 10 to 15 drops of lavender essential oil work just as well. The scent helps repel mosquitoes, flies, and even ticks. Mix everything well. Let the mixture sit for a few hours so the ingredients can infuse. Then strain it through a fine mesh sieve and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it around your window frames and doorways. If you have a patio or sliding glass door, spray around that too. For even better results, lightly mist your curtains or drapes. I guarantee this summer you can forget all about buzzing insects flying around your ears. Do this and your home will be pest-free. First, take a small bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of flour to it. Then, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly so they combine perfectly. Now, prepare the tomato. Slice it into thin rounds and lay them evenly on a cutting board. Take the prepared mixture and sprinkle it over each tomato slice. This blend, which contains flour, baking soda, and sugar, helps eliminate unpleasant odors in any room where the slices are placed. It also repels insects. Place these slices around your home, especially near the fridge, but they'll work perfectly by the stove, plants, or even the sink drain. This method works quickly and is entirely natural, keeping your home fresh and insect-free. I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours, then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. Pour this into the molehill, and the moles will disappear from your garden in one day. It's a great, homemade, and inexpensive solution. Making this mixture only takes a moment. Start by preparing a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This powder has irritating properties for the sensitive sense of smell of moles. The next ingredient is powdered fire starter. Its intense, penetrating smell is unbearable for moles. Also add 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. It has strong, irritating properties and acts as a natural repellent. The sharp smell irritates the nose and skin of animals. Now add dish soap. It works as an emulsifier, allowing the ingredients to combine better. Add 2 tablespoons. Finally, add 5 tablespoons of white vinegar. Vinegar reacts well with the baking soda, and its intense, sour smell lingers in the soil. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. You'll notice a thick, bubbling foam forming in the container. This is a desired effect. Pour the foam directly into the molehill. You don't have to destroy it. The moles will immediately leave the area and never return. This is the most effective method for naturally getting rid of moles in your garden.